Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone specification. Let's get start the video. Display size 6.6 inches, resolution Full HD plus 1080 by 2408 pixels, 400 ppi. Technology A TFT touchscreen, protection Corning Gorilla Glass 5, features multi-touch.
This phone, price in Bangladesh, official price.
4GB plus 64GB 16,999 taka, 6GB plus 128GB 19,999 taka. BD released the 11th of April 2022. Body dimensions Hoxed 165.1 by 76.4 by 8.8 millimeters. Build material glass front, Gorilla Glass 5. Plastic frame, plastic back. This phone colors are black, white, blue or peach. Weight 195 grams, 6.88 ounces. This phone has dual nano SIM slot, network 2G, 3G, 4G. It's a 4G phone. Sensors, side mounted fingerprint. USB Type-C 2.0 charging port. Sound, alert types, vibration, MP3, WAV ringtones, 3.5mm audio jack. Performance, OS, Android 12, custom UI, One UI 4.1. Chipset, Exynos 858 nanometers. CPU, octa-core, 2.2 GHz or 2.0 GHz. GPU, Mali G52, 64-bit. Primary main camera, 50MP, wide. Ultra-wide 5MP, f2.2. Macro 2MP, f2.4. Depth 2MP, f2.4. Resolution or sensor, 8150 by 6150 pixels. Features, exposure compensation, ISO control, high dynamic range mode, HDR, digital image stabilization. Video, 1080p 30fps, 720p 30fps. Selfie main camera, wide 8MP, f2.2. Panorama, HDR, 3264 by 2448 pixels. Video, 1080p 30fps, 720p 30fps. Battery type, non-removable LiPo, battery capacity, 5000 mAh battery, charging time, up to 130 hours with 25W fast charging. If you like the video, be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel to see the next video.